Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070643, step by step. First, we will use the official Windows Troubleshooter. This tool is built into Windows and can automatically fix common update problems. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Wait for the scan to finish and apply any fixes it finds. Restart your computer after this step. Next, we will repair system files. This error often happens when important Windows files are damaged. Click on Start, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scanO and press Enter. The scan may take some time, so wait until it reaches 100%. When it finishes, restart your PC. If the error still appears, we will reset the Windows Update components. Press the Windows key and type Services, and press Enter. Find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Stop. Also, stop the background intelligent transfer service. Now open File Explorer, go to the C drive, then Windows. Find the Software Distribution folder and rename it to softwaredistribution.old. After that, go back to the Services window and start the Update services again. Restart your computer and try Windows Update one more time. Most of the time, these steps fix the error. Thanks for watching.